Hello and welcome to our video on the charging infrastructure and availability of charging stations in the UK. With the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, charging infrastructure has become a crucial aspect to consider for both current and potential EV owners. In this video, we will be discussing the current state of EV charging infrastructure in the UK, including the availability of charging stations, the types of chargers, and some of the challenges that still need to be addressed. Let's begin by discussing the availability of charging stations in the UK. According to the latest data, there are currently over 25,000 charging points across the country, with more being installed every day. These charging points can be found in various locations, such as petrol stations, car parks, shopping centres, and even on the street. Additionally, the government has set a target to install 6,000 rapid charging points by 2024, which will significantly increase the availability of charging infrastructure. Now let's talk about the types of chargers available. In the UK, there are three types of chargers: slow, fast, and rapid. Slow chargers are the most basic and typically take between 6 to 12 hours to fully charge an EV. Fast chargers, on the other hand, can charge an EV in 2 to 4 hours. Finally, rapid chargers are the fastest, capable of charging an EV to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. It's important to note that not all charging stations offer all three types of chargers, so it's essential to plan your route and charging needs ahead of time. While the UK has made significant progress in the availability of charging stations, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed. One challenge is the issue of charger hogging, where some EV owners leave their cars parked at charging stations even after their vehicles have been charged, preventing others from using the chargers. Another challenge is the lack of charging stations in some rural areas, which can make it challenging for EV owners to travel long distances. In conclusion, the UK has made significant progress in the availability of charging infrastructure, with over 25,000 charging points currently available and more being installed every day. However, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed, such as charger hogging and the lack of charging stations in rural areas. As the adoption of electric vehicles continues to increase, it's essential that these challenges are addressed to ensure that EV owners have access to reliable and convenient charging infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative.
Are you looking to buy or sell a car? Then Autodomain is for you. At Autodomaincouk, you will gain access to an online automotive marketplace in the UK. On the platform, consumers can buy or sell cars for free. With a proven marketing technique, interested buyers will be directed to your listing. For those who are looking to purchase a car, the website is organized and makes it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. Simply enter your car's desired make, model, price, and location, and you will immediately be directed to people who are selling their vehicle in your area. Find new cars and used cars alike to get the best deal. Everything you need to buy or sell your vehicle can be found at autodomain.co.uk. Browse around the site today and experience the benefits firsthand.